A microwave oven cooks food using microwave radiation, a form of non-ionizing electromagnetic radiation. Here's a step-by-step explanation of how a microwave works. Power source. The microwave oven is plugged into an electrical outlet which provides the necessary electrical power. Control panel. The user sets the cooking time and power level using the control panel. The microwave's timer and power settings are adjusted based on the type and amount of food being cooked. Magnetron. When the microwave is turned on, the control circuit sends power to the magnetron, which is the component that generates microwaves. The magnetron converts the electrical energy into microwave radiation. Waveguide. The microwaves produced by the magnetron are directed into the cooking chamber through a waveguide, which is a metal channel that guides the microwaves to ensure they are evenly distributed. Cooking chamber. Inside the cooking chamber, microwaves are absorbed by water, fats, and sugars in the food. These microwaves cause the molecules in the food to vibrate rapidly, producing heat through friction. This process is called dielectric heating. Turntable or stirrer. Most microwaves have a turntable or a mode stirrer. The turntable rotates the food to help distribute the microwaves more evenly, ensuring uniform cooking. Heating the food. As the microwaves penetrate the food, they heat the outer layers first. Heat then conducts inward, cooking the food from the outside in. This is why some microwave recipes suggest stirring or rearranging food partway through the cooking process to promote even heating. Control and monitoring. The microwave's control system monitors the cooking time and power levels. When the set cooking time elapses, or if a sensor determines that the food is sufficiently heated, the microwave stops generating microwaves and signals that the cooking process is complete, usually with a beep. Safety features. Microwaves are designed with several safety features, including door interlocks that prevent the microwave from operating if the door is open. The cooking chamber is also made of metal and has a protective mesh on the door window to contain the microwaves and prevent them from escaping. Microwave ovens are convenient because they cook food quickly and efficiently by directly heating the water and other molecules within the food rather than relying on an external heat source. This method is particularly effective for reheating leftovers, cooking pre-packaged microwavable meals, and defrosting frozen items. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.